Everyone, welcome to JAG SSB preparation series. Let's decodify SSB with simplified law. We are now at the final day, and that is day 5, which is the conference day. So, points to remember before going to conference room क्या है. First is your attire. Dress formally, proper shirt, pant, neat hair. For girls, wear a formal salwar kameez or sari or a formal suit, whatever you are comfortable with. Keep your hair tie and don't wear too much makeup like nail polish or any bright colors on your face. Don't wear any perfume or cologne which has a very intense smell. Before going into conference room, take a deep breath and make your mind relax and calm. Answer whatever the question you are asked, and again, if you don't know the answer, simply say you apologize as you don't know the answer. And when your officer, the senior officer, will say thank you, calmly stand up without looking here and there, straight go out from the room. You don't know which question was the deciding factor. If you are a candidate on whom they have some confusion with, so this is the all process of conference. After the conference gets over, you will be waiting at the waiting hall. The person will come and he will announce the chest number who has been recommended. See, all will not get recommended, that's for sure. Few will get recommended and few will go home. It's true, rejection hurts, and it hurts more when it's come from something which you have dreamed of or you for which you have worked so hard. रिजेक्ट होने के बाद क्या चीज़ें नहीं करनी है, ये चीज़ें भी तुम्हें ध्यान में रखनी है. Don't crib about the service selection board. See, you must have heard from various candidates that some selection board is a rejection board. There is nothing like any rejection board. बहुत सारी दुनिया भर की बातें हैं, बहुत सारी बकवास बातें हैं. तुम्हारा काम है just to focus on your thing rather than इन सारी चीज़ों में पढ़ने के बजाय. Just focus on your SSB. If you are getting rejected or if you are not getting recommended, there might be some flaws from your end, or the other candidate was much better than you. तो इसलिए बाकी चीज़ें and बाकी factors are not gonna play any role in your selection.